In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar. If you've been looking to seamlessly integrate these two essential productivity tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your tasks from Microsoft To Do appearing right in your Google Calendar, helping streamline your task management process. The first thing you need to do is use Outlook as a bridge between Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar. This method works because Microsoft To Do syncs seamlessly with Outlook tasks. So if you're already using a Microsoft account, your to-do tasks are likely syncing with Outlook automatically, which saves us a lot of hassle down the line. If not, ensure that your to-do tasks are indeed syncing with Outlook. This connection forms the backbone of the integration we are setting up. Once you've confirmed that your Microsoft To Do tasks are syncing with Outlook, head over to Google Calendar to begin the integration process. Open your Google Calendar and navigate to the Settings menu, represented by the familiar gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Add Calendar. Click on it, which will expand to show more options. Now select Subscribe to Calendar and then From URL. This is where the magic connection happens. But before we move on, you need something important, your Outlook Calendar's ICS link. So switch over to Outlook and grab that link. The ICS link acts almost like a bridge address. By copying this link and pasting it into the From URL section back in Google Calendar, you're effectively telling Google to fetch and display your Outlook tasks, which naturally include your Microsoft To Do task if they have been synced correctly. After pasting the ICS link into the From URL field, hit Add Calendar, and voila, your tasks from Outlook, complete with due dates from Microsoft To Do, will now start to appear in your Google Calendar. This setup allows you to view all your tasks with deadlines alongside your events, meetings, and reminders, giving you a comprehensive overview of your day, week, or even month. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've connected Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar using Outlook as a bridge. This integration will help you stay organized and on top of your tasks, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, keeping these platforms in sync ensures that you're always updated, no matter which device you're on or where you are. Happy organizing, and here's to a more productive you.